Hello guys, so today I'm playing Clash Royale. In the previous video I played Among Us and asked you guys to comment down below if you want me to talk and put face cam. So this video I'm talking and did not put face cam because I want you guys to comment down below if you want me to put face cam or not. So with this this video I'm playing Clash Royale and I will play sudden death battles in Clash Royale. So with this deck 4.4 I have come till 5031 trophies, and not only 5000, I think I remember 5227, I guess so. Yeah, 5227. So with this deck I have come till 5227. So with this deck I have trust in this deck that it can help me a lot in winning all the matches in sudden death battle, because in sudden death battle you need to only take out one crown and you win. So Lumberjack Balloon crushes everyone, okay? Lumberjack and Balloon crushes everyone. So not everyone, like only in sudden death battle, like one crown to win that time. It's really worth it. Like Lumberjack Balloon to take out one crown, it's a really good deck. So with that deck, I have trust in it that every match I play, I win. No loss. I'm not gonna lose in this video. Not even once. Maybe once or twice, but not many. Because I'm not that good of a player in Clash Royale. So let's start with the first battle. Level 10. Okay. I can play with him. I'll really put a balloon, a wizard, and freeze. Oh, and it's gonna give me elixir in the between, bro. Oh, freeze fast. Yes, thank you. One more shot. Yes, thank you. Elixir Golem is legends. Literally helps your opponent. Like, literally helps your opponent. Oh no, that bomber is crushing me. Oh no, that bomber is crushing me now. Okay, that died anyway. So, happy now. Take out that wizard. Yeah, balloon. Arrows, of course, because it's gonna knock out. Okay, I won this match. Yeah, balloon is literally the only card you need to finish this full game. Come on. Okay, first match, one win. Let's hop on to the other one. Only one match I have won till now, so I should not get overexcited. So I should still play and go up. Oh my goodness, bro! Shoot! Literal. Oh come on! He crushed me. Literally crushed me. But I'm gonna crush him. Ah, yes. Get the. Freeze there. Okay. Not gonna be great. God damn. He's just gonna crush me with his Royal Giant, bro. Oh my goodness. Please, bro. Okay, only one shot. Good. No, one shot? Oh my goodness. Come on, Megana. Yeah, boy. Wonder. Oh my goodness. Why did I do that? 2 wins. 2 wins and 0 losses. Let's go. Look at the pig getting black. Woo! 2 matches won. I don't want to get level 13. Seriously, I don't want to get it. That's like so tough to beat. I have beaten level 13s, but it's tough to beat. Wait, I need arrows level 11 to take that out. Come on. No. God damn. It's okay. It's okay, I'm in lead. It's okay. How did he he cycle so fast, bro? Does he even really have 8 cards? He didn't even do anything to cycle so fast. Oh my goodness. That's it, you're doomed. Doomed. Oh. Oh my goodness, bro. Not great. Okay, bomb. Okay, bomb didn't do anything. Okay. Oh, interesting. Level 9, bro. Who even does? How is that? That's illegal. That's so bad for Mega Knight. Wow. Oh my, what was that now? I didn't even freeze the tower. Okay. Might be useful. Yeah, man. Balloon finishes it. Balloon. 3 wins. Wait. 4 wins, I guess. Yeah, 4 wins, 0 losses. Legit. Holy cow. Oh, what was that? Something error it gave, no? Oh, I guess it's for the chest. I ditched it. Well, level 10. Think I care. Ignore. Okay, yes. Thank you. Freeze. Thank you. Oh my goodness. One shot. Oh my god, Wizard got so many shots. Okay, I can't ignore this one. But one thing I can is to ignore that garden. Oh, thank you. Freeze the fast. Yeah, boy. What freeze value? 5 wins and 0 losses. So maybe actually I'm gonna keep this video like only for 10 to 13 minutes. And now I have done this for 7 minutes. So I'm going to do it for 13 or 14 minutes. And we'll see how many matches I can win till then. Because I don't want my videos to go more than 15 minutes. Oh, that's going to be horrible for me. He doesn't even have. Oh my goodness, he doesn't even have elixir. What the? Oh yeah. Now Royal Ghost and Battle Healer is going to float. It can go like above the river. That's a buff for them, I think. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe it's a buff. Just a balance change. What the hell happened to my thing? Oh my goodness. Amazing. What? Not even 1 second, bro. Didn't even take 1 second to kill this thing. What just came in the left? Bro, he doesn't even have card levels, bro. Okay. Mega Knight, please, I believe in you. Fast, Mega Knight. Oh, come on. Yeah. Who wins? Not his. He doesn't even know how to play the attack. Just kidding. He does know, but not in this way, you know. Level 6 friends, they're literally useless. Okay, 6 wins in a row. No losses. 8 minutes done. Oh my goodness. Oh shit. Okay. That was a good defense. Oh no, he has very bad combos compared to me. Oh my goodness. Oh, I knew it! No. Wait, please. Freezer. Yeah, boy. Let's go. Look, that's almost almost. Oh my goodness! Just one. Wait, that was so bad. Oh come on. Oh no. Holy. Oh my goodness! Please, 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 please. Not like this. Arrows. If you're my friend. No. Okay, that was really bad. Oh shit. Oh shit. Bomb, bomb, bomb. Yes, I won. Maybe. Who knows? Oh cow. Just new arrows, bro. Arrows, arrows. Okay. Maybe he shouldn't be winning. Because I won. Woo! Let's go. 7 wins in a row. And 10 minutes taken. Yeah, boy. Something has gone message. Oh. Now last 2 matches I'm gonna do. Last 2 matches. Okay, that was really bad. Yeah, boy. Let's go. Oh, come on. Oh, I did good damage. Go, Scullies. He's ignoring this. He's gonna be ignoring. Oh, he actually ignored it. Oh, he didn't ignore. Holy shit! 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 Oh my god! Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Oh, come on! Holy moly! Shit! I'm gonna do good. Oh no! Come on, please! For God's sake, bro! For God's sake! Shit! No! Come here! That is 8 wins in a row! Oh my goodness! This is legit! Okay, I guess I have to stop. Or else, and it's lagging also a bit. It's a bit lagging. Okay, I am going to stop this from here. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.